Okay, it's the end of the day, and we got some brush cut. See, there's the river. See that? Okay, that was what we did before. Now we're gonna start moving. There's Patty. Patty, you're in my video here, and so I think you can see across the river there, where there's that lone stag on the right. Everything below that was cut today. We talked about that earlier. So that's one piece of work that we did. And then we talked about this old oak tree, big old gnarly oak tree that we were going to clear out around. That's up ahead, and you can almost start to see the foundations of the Scuppernong Springs Hotel over there. Let's go. Patty? Oh, let's take a look at the river from here. Pretty nice. Again, there's that stag over there. We cleared everything out by that stag. And now we're heading over to the big gnarly tree. This was something we were going to do today. There he is. Look at that big gnarly guy. And we did everything on both sides. And then here's the foundation, the Scuppernong Springs Hotel, and there was all this white fencing that was in here. Cyclone fencing was interspersed in these buckthorns. And we got most of it out. So this is the view then from the front steps of the hotel looking out. Not bad. And we're going to cut the right side there. All that brush we're going to cut down in the future, very near future. So here's the view from the Scuppernong Springs Hotel.